Hey, how's it going everyone? Pokemon Trainer Dylan here. It's only going to be a short one tonight. I was in a One Piece tournament, first anniversary one, and I just wanted to open up the prizes that I've got. So I've got two of these Luffys, so they're the first anniversary green Luffys. This, one of the booster packs, and the anniversary pack, these are for entry. And then I got 2 wins, 2 losses in the tournament, so these were bonus prizes for placing. So I'll start with these ones. These ones are just Don cards, so there won't be anything too special about them. I think there's alt art Dons and stuff like that. Got the Luffy and Yamato Don cards. There's that one. Steri, Sequise, Buffalo, Dalmatian, Marie-Joie, Yama, Charleston, 4000 Breakfast, Elizabella II, Miss Doublefinger, Rosinante, Mancherie, then we've got Bartholomew Kuma, Buffalo, Zambia, St. Charles, Mr. One, Hino Birdzat, Marie-Joie, One-Legged Toy Soldier, Ivankov, Hakchi, Bella Betty, and finishing with a Gidatsu. I think that's the alternate art as well. And then the anniversary pack, it should have 2 cards in it. And we got Gladius and Dragon Claw. Alright, so yeah, that's just a quick video for tonight. If you like, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.